Hello traders, today is the 30th of January 2011, and happy trading to you all, and happy new week also to you as we are preparing for the new week to begin. We want to look at the Euro USD currency pair. Okay, as you already know, we are bearish towards the Euro USD currency pair and bullish towards the USD yen. Okay, for those who are new to us, we are the TSTW S008 traders. Our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. We want to look at the 3 days, okay, chart of the Euro USD. This is each candle here represent 3 days. Okay, so if you think that the 4-hour chart is your higher time frame, or the daily chart is the higher time frame, you can perfectly use the 3 days, okay, chart, or 4 days chart, or 5 days chart. Nothing is stopping you to look at the different time frame as you like. Okay, so this is 3 days, okay, Euro USD currency pair. As you know, the Euro USD also will move in the direction of the market. Is also a leading indicator in the market. So when the Euro USD is going up, the general market is considered as bullish, and when the Euro USD is going down, the general market also is considered as bearish. But one thing you need to remember is that when the Euro USD also reaches a very important resistance level, we must step aside and observe the price and wait for the market to show a direction. As you can see here, the Euro USD is going up, but it's at one important resistance level on this 3 days chart. So the problem that many traders are facing, especially those who are swing trading, okay, they will say that the trend is up, so we should be buying. The trend is up, but we are at a very resistance level, so we can't buy. We have to wait for the price to show us the next direction. So when we are going up, we want to pay attention to the resistance level. It's not sufficient for the trend line to be rising, but the trend line must be rising and the price must be at a support level before we can buy. If we are approaching a key resistance level, we can step aside and observe the price and take the next move until after the price break that resistance level and they find a support above the resistance level. We know that the price can do 3 things at a resistance level. It can either find a resistance right there and turn around and come back down. It can perfectly break it, go above it and find a support and continue the movement to the upside, or it can go above it only to fail to find a support above it, which is a fake breakout, and come back down. Like I said already, we are bearish towards the Euro USD currency pair, and we are at a very important resistance level on this 3-hour chart. If we draw the horizontal line on the chart, right here, that's the resistance line, this level here. If you want to see more what's happening on this side, this is the level we are talking about. The euro has hit that level here. The price display kind of an inverted head and shoulder here. Try to go above it only to fail to find a support above this white resistance line after displaying this inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's bearish. And it break below it and come back down. Now it is testing this level here. Okay, so the euro break that level here of 13706. When above it, now it's coming to retest that level on the 3 days chart. 3 days chart. Okay, I will remove my drawing on this chart. If we plot on this chart the Fibonacci retracement level, we'll draw it from here down to this level here. We can see clearly that the price is exactly at 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, where I place my cursor right now, and that level is also a very important resistance level, as we have already seen it. Okay, So we cannot afford to be buying this zone, at least if you do not want to, if you want to buy, you have to wait till the price break above it and find a support above it before thinking of buying. Right now, we are bearish towards the Euro USD and bullish towards the dollar yen currency pair, which means we are bearish towards the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and all the stocks. Okay. So we are at a 61.8 Fibonacci resistance level, and the stochastic 833 on the 3-day chart is also overbought. Okay. So not only we have one signal that is telling us to look for opportunity to sell because we are at a resistance level. The second information is that we are at a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And like I showed you before, if we go to the 20-day chart, 2-0, I will remove again my drawing on this chart. Each candle here represents 20 days. Okay, on this chart last time, as we showed you before, drawing the trend line on this 20-day chart, we see that this trend line here, the price touches here. From this point to this point, we can perfectly draw this trend line. The price come to test it here. The price trying to go to this level. I told you before that the price will find it very, very difficult to touch it again this second time here. That's what we are seeing right now. And also, if we draw horizontal line through this zone, you can see that this resistance level on the 20 days. So in fact, the euro is at a resistance level on the 20 days monthly chart, and also on the 3 days chart. Okay, and also at a Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8. okay, so also if you remove on this chart again, if you draw the Fibonacci tools on this 20 days chart, okay, bear with me, I'll put this line back exactly where it belongs to. Okay, what I will do, I will draw the Fibonacci tool on this chart from this level here down to this level here. We can see on this chart that the price is in a zone or between 38.2 and 50% Fibonacci retracement zone, also on this 20-day chart. Okay, now using the definition of a downtrend, the price has displayed a low here and a lower low here, a lower high, this high compared to this high. Okay, this is a lower high, and there was another, this is another lower high, this is a lower low. This is on the monthly chart, so we can perfectly accept that as a lower low because it's quite heavy, so to speak, on the monthly chart. It does not mean that the euro cannot continue the movement to the outside, but in the technical point of view, we can perfectly be bearish towards this euro USD. For those who are ordinary swing traders, those who are not using the TSTW SYS08 or SYS008, they will have to decide when to sell and when to buy. Because this is the problem with swing traders. They will come at a resistance level and they will sell. Okay, that's perfectly acceptable if they have excellent risk management. Okay, or they will come to a support level and buy. We do not do that. We use the TSTW SYS08 or the TSTW SYS008 or the TSTW24 to time our entry point. When it is time to sell, we will sell. When it's time to buy, we will buy. When it's time to step aside, we will step aside. That's how we enter the trade. We do not sell because the price is at a resistance level, or we do not buy when the price is at a support level. I hope you enjoyed this video regarding the Euro USD currency pair that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS008 traders. I thank you for watching and speak to you soon.